Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Advait. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today we are here with a new set of worksheet which is brain boosting worksheet and suitable for the age group of 3 to 5. So let's get started. So in this sheet what you have to do, circle the odd one out. Here are some pictures, you have to look carefully and then circle the odd one. Okay, come on, are you ready?
Okay. B, caterpillar, and another B. So this one is odd. Apple, grapes. Grapes is odd.
Good. Next.
Leaf, flower. That's not a leaf.
Good job. Next.
Car. That's not a car. It's a fish.
So this one is
An odd one.
very good. So in this sheet what you have to do, I have drawn two trees. Okay, so you have to look carefully to both pictures and tell me the three differences.
So in this tree, it has 3 apples. And this tree has 4 apples.
Yes, so that one is the first difference. The second?
This one has 2 eyes and this one has only one because the other one has popped out.
Okay, and the third one?
Is the mouth. This one is smiley. This one is just frown.
Good job. In this sheet, what you have to do, it's a maze activity. You have to help the mouse to find the cheese.
Okay.
Find the path.
Okay. So the mouse will go on here. He will go here. Right here. That's the entrance. And then there. And here. And here. And here. And right here.
Good. In this sheet, what you have to do, look carefully and circle the biggest fast. Or you can tick.
I'm gonna take this one. Take the heart.
This one is biggest?
Yeah.
Okay.
The tree. I'm gonna take the tree. And I'm gonna take the kite. This one is the biggest.
This one is the biggest, so which one is the smallest one?
This one.
Good. So in this sheet, I have drawn some opposite pictures. So you have to match them. Come on, start doing.
Happy, sad.
Good.
Day, night. Hot, cold.
Ice
Cold
cream.
is up there. The cold is up there.
Yes.
Up, down. There it is. In, out.
Yes. Good. In this sheet, I have drawn some patterns. So you have to look carefully and you have to match all the patterns. Okay? Good. Start.
Okay, so this is a zigzag pattern. There's another zigzag pattern. And this is a dot pattern. Here's another dot pattern. This is a line pattern. Here's another line pattern.
Good.
Here's a rainbow pattern. The other one is up there.
Good job. So in this sheet, this is again a pattern activity. What you have to do, you have to look all the pictures and you have to tell me what comes next.
Okay. Happy, sad, happy, sad, happy.
Good. Next.
Is moon, star, moon, star, moon, star, moon.
Good. Next.
Is apple, apple, watermelon, apple, apple, watermelon, apple, apple.
Oh, so big apple.
Yeah, as a big apple. I'm ready to draw big apples.
Okay. Next one.
Heart apple. So here I have Put, ball, ball. Put, ball, ball. I'm gonna draw a soccer ball then.
Okay, draw the next one.
Another soccer ball.
Good. The next.
Here we have tree, triangle, triangle, tree, triangle, triangle, tree, triangle, triangle.
So next, what will come? Tree? Good.
It's a big tree.
Good job. I hope you all like this worksheet. These worksheets are really beneficial for their brain boosting and to enhance their memory power and concentration. If you want these worksheets, I will provide link below in description box so that you can download them in PDF form. And for more learning videos, please subscribe to our channel Learn with Advait. See you next time. Bye bye.